Today's vlog is all about edible prints, and we will be making from start to finish these beautiful vanilla cupcakes with edible prints on the top. For the vanilla cupcakes, you will need 250 grams of melted butter, 3 eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence, 1.5 cups of caster sugar, 2 teaspoons baking powder, 3 cups of flour, and 3/4 cup milk. Step 1. Add in the melted butter, eggs and vanilla essence and lightly beat. Now, I don't use an electric beater for this because sometimes overbeating tends to flatten the cupcakes when they are baking. Step 2. Add in the caster sugar and lightly beat again. Caster sugar is often used in baking because it has a refined texture and dissolves quicker than granulated sugar. If you don't have caster sugar, you can use normal granulated sugar as well. Step 3. Add in the baking powder, alternating with flour and milk, and gently fold in. The batter is now ready. It is important to note the consistency of the batter. Step 4. Place some baking paper cups in a muffin tray. Step 5. Take 2 tablespoons and place 1 tablespoon of batter in each cupcake holder as shown. Bake these in a preheated oven 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Step 6. Get your edible prints ready while the cupcakes are baking. To make these edible prints, I took a picture off the internet and designed them for cupcake toppers. I then printed these using my edible ink printer. These are readily available at most baking stores. Edible prints are images printed with edible ink on paper made of cornstarch, sugar, and tree glue that is safe for human consumption. Once the cupcakes have baked, remove them from the oven and allow them to cool completely. Size the edible prints to make sure that you have 1/2 centimeter spacing around the prints for icing, and if not, try and trim them slightly. Step 7. Now these are perfectly rounded cupcakes to have with tea. However, with edible prints you will need to have the top slightly trimmed off as shown, so that the edible print can rest at the top without cracking or breaking. Step 8 is making some buttercream icing. To make this, I used 125 grams of butter, 500 grams of icing sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence, and 50 ml of milk. Add in food coloring as desired, but start off with a little drop and see how much darker you want the icing. I need the color to be just right enough to match my cupcake toppers, so I'm not rushing the coloring of my icing. For buttercream icing, it is best to use the gel colors and not the powdered colors. Step 9. Now that I have my icing the desired color, I'm going to transfer this into an icing bag with a star nozzle. For this, I am using a star nozzle called a Tico 20. Step 10. Add some icing on the flattened part of the cupcake. This is done so that the edible print sticks onto the top. Step 11. Once you have done this, place a topper over each cupcake. And now it's time to pipe icing onto the cupcakes. To start, you will need to lift the cupcake up and pipe the icing on the empty spaces around the cupcakes and between the edible print, as shown now. Then, place the cupcake down and pipe the top halfway to the side of the edible print. Do the same for all the cupcakes. So, one more time. Pipe the sides between the edible print and the cupcake holder. Place it down and then pipe on the top. And there you have it, perfectly piped edible print cupcakes. For this row of cupcakes, I'm going to just practice normal piping of the star nozzle. This will be a good way for you to practice on your piping skills before attempting any other type of piping. When piping, remember to use the correct hand movements and pressure when squeezing the icing bag. This ensures even distribution of icing when piping. And here you have it. Your edible print cupcakes are all ready. Don't they look amazing? Good luck making yours. As always, thank you for watching, my dear subscribers. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you haven't.